So guys, that's my meanwhile little project, Moskvich 2140, and I'm gonna give it a new paint job. And of course there is some more technical stuff to do, but I've already done quite some. But yeah, let's start with bodywork. I've got some dents to pull out first. So now let's remove the door seal. So we can start cleaning this thing up. No problem up there, but here, as you can see, we got some pretty good dent going on. Needs pulling out also from underneath. There is one here and also underneath it has been bent. So okay, next up we strip the paint from those spots and we start pulling them out. That's what we'll be using first.
Otstes olid kuuled, vilt oli katus nagu. Seal pidin ketas aega viltu. Siukse jäägid. Iga kord 3 korda ära. Et ei tohiks nagu väga puusta see tigumeetriga. Tere, see tohi. See raami ära. Ats, kelle ei spilku.
Mul on ju. Lased punkti ja lebo. Täitsa lebo, kurat.
Sinest patlib on. Just teha.
Okay guys, it's another evening and I'm here working on the car again. Yesterday Not yesterday, but the last time I was working on that side skirt or rocker panel or whatever you call it, and I got it reasonably straight already, but I discovered that this is a little bit hairy part in here. It contains some more rust, so I'm gonna make a patch here. I'm gonna mark the bending places. It's as easy as that. Need some more work. Actually, let's cut it like that. That's what I'm using, motive. Okay, that's good enough. Kuule, sõidab küll siiamaani.
Katsetuseni ikka tehtud.
So I already fixed the corner of the door. It was like that. But we have some more little rust issue somewhere right here. And let me show you from the inside. It looks like that. So I'm gonna take care of that. Also some more welding to do here on those corners. And now we can go all the way. And now we have something like this. But I'm gonna slightly over bend it, so later on it's easier to tap it around the inner door frame. Okay, we have something like that. Now I can cut it. Mark it and then cut it. I'm gonna cut above the line because it needs to go up by about 2 or 3 mil. So. can see it's quite rusty indeed, and that one as well, but no worries, we are gonna fix it. Let me clean it up and let's see then how this piece fits that we made. Okay, now I have prepared the frame and the piece from the inside that goes there. Most of it welded, but yeah, you have to take breaks in between because you don't want to put too much heat into the panel that you're welding. But yeah, soon we will be done. Okay. Welded those up. This done. Also removed the paint and stuff from here. No more welding on that side. So that's good. Welding done. Except for the front wing and this stuff, but I'm gonna remove those later on because it has some deformation as well, and it's easier to fix by removing it. Now that the other side is welded, I turned the car around and now we have pretty much the same work here. The rocker panel is dented on the front and on the back also. So let's lift the car up and start fixing these problems.